Are you ready to embark on a journey of discovery, healing, and transformation? Welcome to SkyyGems, your guide to the mesmerizing world of crystals. We provide knowledge about their individual attributes, healing energies, and spiritual connotations. These beautiful stones possess healing properties, bringing balance and harmony. Whether you're an experienced crystal enthusiast or a beginner, we're here to offer a treasure trove of wisdom, guidance, and inspiration to support you on your journey. Together, we will uncover the secrets of ancient crystal wisdom. We'll delve into crystal healing, meditation, astrology, and energy work. Our aim? To empower to cultivate balance, harmony, and well-being. SkyyGems offers more than just a wealth of information. We are a community of growth, exploration, and holistic living. Embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery. Seeking the perfect crystal, SkyyGems offers guidance, inspiration, and positivity. Subscribe today and watch the magic unfold.
Hello, welcome to SkyyGems. In today's episode, we're exploring the 9 crystals known to attract luck. Do you ever wonder if the power of crystals could bring a touch of luck into your life? Many people across the globe do, and they swear by the influence of these natural wonders. Today, we're diving into the world of crystals and their reputed abilities to attract good fortune. We'll be exploring 9 crystals that are believed to usher in luck, success, and prosperity. At the top of the list is the tiger's eye. This golden brown gem is said to be a magnet for prosperity. Its striking appearance is matched by its power to shield against negative energies. Just imagine a protective aura around you, deflecting ill will and attracting good vibes. That's the tiger's eye for you. Next up, we have citrine, also known as the merchant's stone. This sunny crystal is believed to bring good luck in business and financial endeavors. Picture yourself achieving your financial goals with the help of this radiant crystal, amplifying your intentions and success. Third on our list is jade. Revered in many cultures as a symbol of good fortune, this stone is believed to attract luck and blessings. It's not just about prosperity. Jade also promotes harmony and balance, making it a holistic charm for well-being. Then there's pyrite, often referred to as fool's gold. This crystal is reputed to draw in wealth and abundance, making it an ideal companion for those seeking success. Imagine this stone as a beacon, pulling in the wealth of the universe towards you. The 5th crystal in our roundup is the clear quartz. Known as a powerful energy amplifier, this crystal can help magnify your intentions for good luck, making your aspirations manifest more rapidly. Next is malachite, a vibrant green stone believed to bring good luck and protection. It's also associated with transformation and positive growth, making it a stone for those ready to embrace change and progress. The 7th crystal on our list is labradorite, known as the stone of magic. This crystal is believed to bring good luck and synchronicities while enhancing intuition and psychic abilities. Imagine it as a magical ally, guiding you towards fortuitous circumstances. Our 8th crystal is the amethyst. This purple crystal is said to attract good luck and abundance, while also promoting inner peace and spiritual growth. Think of it as a beacon of tranquility, guiding you towards a state of balance and prosperity. Finally, we have green aventurine. Similar to its regular counterpart, this stone focuses on attracting luck and success in career and business. Consider this your personal career coach, guiding you towards opportunities and success. In conclusion, these crystals each carry unique properties that many believe can bring luck, prosperity, and positivity into our lives. Whether you're seeking protection, wealth, success, or inner peace, there's a crystal out there for you. As with anything, the power of these crystals lies in your belief in their abilities. So take a leap of faith and see if a touch of crystal magic can bring a sparkle of luck into your life. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of SkyyGems. And as you go about your day, remember to spread nothing but love, peace, and crystals.